Now we're solving question number 5, which is similar to question number 1 and 2, with a slight difference of this parentheses having a power, which is going to be repeated. For example, if we have something like x plus 2 divided by a divided by x plus 3 whole squared. So in this case, we're going to be getting something like this: a divided by x plus 3 plus b divided by x plus 3 whole squared. So this would be the answer. Why? Suppose u equals x plus 3, therefore we're going to have this one is going to be u squared with some function here. And therefore we're going to get a u plus b divided by u squared. This one means we're going to be having au, if we decompose this one, divided by u squared equal plus b divided by u squared. If we break it down into two pieces or decompose the equation that we're having. And now we can simplify this with this to get a divided by u plus b divided by u squared. And therefore we're going to have a divided by x plus 3 plus b divided by x plus 3 whole squared. And that's why it is repeated twice in an ascending manner, which is linear, and this one is quadratic. If we have cubed, then cubed and to the power 4 and so on and so forth. That's why when we have perfect square, it is repeated twice. If we have perfect cube, then it is repeated also 3 times, so on and so forth. Okay, and now we're gonna solve this problem. All right, therefore I is going to equal integral of a x minus 2 plus b x plus 3 plus c x plus 3 whole squared multiplied by dx. Let me see if I can change this one to math mode like a book. Yeah, this one was fine. Except for this one. Yes, now it's better to some extent. Let me smoothen the size and move it to the left. Okay, now we're having this one. So we're gonna find the common denominator to convert it to this form. We're gonna have integral of So the denominator is going to be this one, which is x minus 2x plus 3 whole squared. And then we're going to multiply by x plus 3 whole squared. Here we have x plus 3, therefore we have to multiply by another x plus 3 to make it square. And we have to multiply by x minus 2 as we're not having it. Plus c, we have this one, which is this. Then we have to multiply by this. Multiplied by dx. Let me see if y. No, cannot be, because it gives error. So this system has some flaw, therefore I just continue with my own handwriting without converting to this form, or the book form. So we're gonna have a x plus 3 whole squared plus b x plus 3 x minus 2 plus cx minus 2 being equal to x squared plus 3x plus 2. I believe this one we can convert it. Yeah, should be fine. And now we're gonna have a x squared plus 6x plus 9 plus b, this is gonna be x squared minus 2x, and 3x is plus x minus 6 plus and now we're gonna rearrange everything. A plus b with x squared, and now plus 6a plus b plus c with x, and then plus 9a minus 6b minus 2c equals x squared plus 3x plus 2. Okay. First of all, we can leave this one for the last finding. Okay, now we could say, for example, from this one, from here, when x equals 2, this one goes to 0, this one goes to 0, we can find a. And when x is minus 3, this one goes to 0, this one goes to 0, we can find c. And then from this one we can find b. Okay, now we're gonna equate x being equal to 2. From here, from this equation. So we're gonna have a 2 plus 3, which is 5 squared. 5 squared is 25. So we could write 25 equals 2 squared, which is 4, plus 3 times 2 is 6, plus 2 is going to be 12. Therefore, a is going to equal 12 over 25. This is our a. Therefore, this one is going to be this is our a. And now we can say, I'm sorry. And now we can say x equals minus 3 to give this one and this one 0. And we can find c. X is minus 3, therefore we're going to have c minus 3, and minus 2 is minus 5. Minus 3 squared is 9. And then minus 3 times 3 is minus 9 again. And we have plus 2, which is going to be 2. Therefore, c equals minus 2 over 5. So c is minus 2 over 5. And now from this one, which is related to this, we should be able to find the value of b. So we're going to say a plus b equals, this is the coefficient of x squared, and we have to equate it to the coefficient of x squared on the right hand side, which is 1. Therefore, b equals 1 minus a, which is 1 minus 12 over 25, which is 25 minus 12, over 25, and equals 13 over 25. So b is 13 over 25, and therefore we're going to get back to our integral, which is this one. A divided by x minus 2. Therefore, we're going to have I equals integral of A, which is 12 over 25 over x minus 2 plus 13 over 25 divided by x plus 3 minus 2 over 5 divided by x plus 3 whole squared. And this is dx. All right, so this one is going to equal 12 over 25 and there is going to be ln of x ln of x minus 2 plus 13 over 25 ln of x plus 3 minus 2 over 5 and this one is x plus 3 to the negative 2. Negative 2 plus 1 is just going to be negative 1. X plus 3 to the negative 1 divided by negative 1. And let me take this one a little bit up and put it here. Therefore, no, this one is incorrect. The last one is incorrect, actually. So this one is going to equal 12 over 25 ln of x minus 2 plus 13 over 25 ln of x plus 3, and here minus into minus is going to be plus 2 over 5 times 1 over x plus 3. Here, this is the final answer.